Hi, I'm Chef Erin Roth, and the tip of the day today is how to make your own buttermilk. Why do you want to make your own buttermilk? Because, hey, maybe you forgot to purchase some that day you were in the grocery store. This is a simple and easy way to do it. First thing, you can use distilled white vinegar or lemon juice, lime juice, but you need some kind of citrus acid. All you need is a tablespoon of whatever, whether it's vinegar, white distilled, not apple cider, or lemon juice or lime juice. So you go ahead and place that into your measuring cup. Then you fill the cup up to, we're making 1 cup of buttermilk. Then you fill it to the 1 cup line. And that's it. You let it sit out and it will begin to curdle. It takes about 5 minutes. If your milk is cold, it's going to take a little longer. But if you use room temp milk and then add the citrus, it'll curdle real quickly. So you just set this aside and there you go. This is how you make your own buttermilk. You will thank me later.